Let's start question number 10. In a non-right triangle PQR, let PQR denotes the length of the sides opposite to the angle PQR, respectively. The median from R meet the side PQ at S. The perpendicular from P meet the side QR at E and RS, and P intersect at O. If P is equal to root 3, Q is equal to 1, then the radius of the circumcircle of PQR equal to 1. Then which of the following option is or are correct? Multiple options are correct here. Length of QPR RS is equal to root 7 by 2. Length of OE is equal to 1 by 6. Radius of in circle of PQR is equal to root 3 by 2. 2 minus root 3. Number D, area of SOE is equal to root 3 by 12. Let's try to solve it. Let's draw the picture. First, PQR non-right triangle. Here, PQR. RS is the median. RS is the median. RS is equal to median. Okay, then PE perpendicular to QR. Then PE perpendicular to QR. That is PE perpendicular to QR. These are givens. These are given item. Given. And RS and PE intersect at the point O. Here given small p is equal to root 3 and Q is equal to R. Here given small p is equal to root 3. That is opposite angle small p is equal to root 3. That is opposite angle of capital P. That is root 3. And that is 1. These ones are 1. Okay. As RS is the median, then it divides whole triangle into two equal triangles. This and these are same. Therefore, small p is equal to root 3, small q is equal to 1. This is given. Radius is equal, capital R is equal to 1. Sides are given. R is given. It should remind you sine law. Sides are given and R is given. Sides are given and R is given. It should remind you sine law. Therefore, according to sine law, sine of capital P divides root 3 is equal to sine of capital Q divide 1 is equal to half. Therefore, sine of P is equal to root 3 by 2. Implies P is equal to either 60 degree or 120 degree. This, after calculating this, sine of Q is equal to 1 by 2. That implies Q is equal to either 30 degree or 150 degree. Here multiple options are increased, that is either P is equal to 60 degree or Q is equal to P is equal to 60 degree or Q is equal to 150 degree. P is equal to 60 degree or 30 degree. P is equal to 120 degree, Q is equal to 150 degree. P is equal to 120 degree, Q is equal to 30 degree. According to the problem, we see this is not correct. This is also not correct because it is not a right angle triangle. This one is useless and this one is our wanting. Therefore, we should get P is equal to 120 degree, Q is equal to 30 degree, R is equal to 30 degree. It is a isosceles. It shows that it is a isosceles triangle and its altitude is maiden. Altitude is maiden. Therefore, O is the centroid. Therefore, O is centroid. O is centroid. Therefore, option A, length of RS. Therefore, option A, length of RS is equal to half of root 2a square plus 2b square minus 1 pq square. Therefore, A means 1 root 1 square plus B is equal to root 3. Therefore, 3 into 3 and PQ is equal to 1. Therefore, 1 into 1. It shows, so after calculating, it is root 7 by 2. Option A is right. Now let's solve option B. Option B shows length of OE is equal to 1 by 6. Length of OE is equal to, length of OE we know 1 by 3 from the figure. OE is equal to 1 by 3 P. 1 by 3 P. 1 by 3 P, that implies 1 by 6 root 2 into 1 square plus 2 into 1 square minus 3. That is equal to 1 by 6. Hence B is also correct. C, number C, option C. R, radius of the incircle of PQ, triangle PQR is equal to root 3 by 2. Radius. This is the centroid. O is the centroid. Then the circle. Then the circle radius is R is equal to triangle delta by S. Here delta is equal to half into 1 into root 3 into 1 by 2 divided 2 plus root 3 by 2. 2 plus root 3 by 2. It is, after calculating this one is, we get this one, 2 minus root 3. So C is also the correct answer. ABC is correct. Obviously D is not correct. But now check the area of SOE. It means here we get another triangle, that is this one. This one is area of SOE, area of triangle SOE is equal to del by 4 into 1 by 3. We get del is equal to half into 1 into root 3 into half divide 12. It is not root 3 by 2. Then my assumption is right. D is our wrong. Therefore, our answer is, correct answer is A, B and C.